Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this workout video we will do standing aerobics. You will be able to burn at least 500 calories in the end. So best of luck and let's get started and play some music. So march on the place. March on place. This will warm up our body. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands to the front. Basically, right now I am warming up the body. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. To the side. You can do it anytime and anywhere. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll your shoulders. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep on marching. Side to side. Switch feet to the side. It's like dancing on the floor. Keep on doing. Hands to the side. Take it up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now. Good. Keep on doing. Keep on doing. Crosses in the front. Good. It is working on your chest as well as on shoulders. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it up. Good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll it down. Keep on doing. Keep on doing. These steps work on your biceps. Good. Keep on doing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Double it up. Using hands like this. Keep on doing. You can follow this exercise anytime in the day, even after having your lunch. Keep on doing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it up. Good. 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and marching on the spot. Rolling the hands. Hands to the side. Heel touch or throat like this. Keep on doing. Good. Hands like this. It's like pushing on the wall. This impacts your hands as well as your back muscles. Keep on doing. It is a great low impact cardio for overweight as well as for knee pain and back pain patients. Keep on doing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and kick it out. Cross, 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 cross. Good. Keep on doing. Keep on doing. Now this move is impacting your legs. Good. Up, 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 up. Good. Keep on doing. Follow this workout routine daily with me. Good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch to high knees. Keep on doing. This will impact your belly as well as your thighs. Keep on doing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and marching on the spot. We'll march for 30 seconds. Keep on marching. Hands to the side. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Marching. Side step. Good. Curl it back a bit like this. Keep on curling. It is great for your hands as well as your thighs. Good. Keep on doing. When I started my weight loss journey, I started with this floor aerobics only, and it helped me to reduce my first 2 to 3 kgs. Keep on doing. Push it at the back. This will impact on your back. Keep on doing. Now we will take it up like this. Good. 20 of these. 19, 18, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, good, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 1. Switching to side step. Keep on doing. Extend your hands like this. Keep on doing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Double it up like this, impacting on our shoulders. Good. Keep on doing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Marching on the spot. Keep on doing. I hope you are feeling the sweat that I am feeling right now. Initiating your fat burn. Keep on doing. Start with heel dips now. Good. Now we will increase the intensity like this. Take it up front, take it up front, take it up. Good. Keep on doing. Good. Kick, 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 kick. Good. Up, front, 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 front cross, up cross, front cross, up cross, front cross, up cross, 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 cross. Good, good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heel stick. Good. Good. Marching on the spot. Now we are coming to our cool down phase. Marching. Hands. Take it to the back and stretch your neck. Like this. Hands. Circles. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hands to the side. Keep on marching. Follow this workout routine daily with me. If you want to lose weight, don't forget to subscribe my channel. You can also contact me on Instagram for any fitness related queries. Keep on marching, we'll keep on marching for 20 more seconds. Good. Keep moving your hands. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,